What is going on today, guys? If you're an SMMA owner in 2022, I need you to watch this video because I'm going to go over your offer. How to actually sell more by creating what I call an irresistible SMMA offer. How to get more clients and leads in your pipeline by simply just tweaking your offer, the verbiage you use, fulfillment, deliverables, timelines, expectations. So stay tuned for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into this.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So if you're running an SMMA right now and you're wondering, how can I get people to buy my service more? How can I really start to hone in on, not just the legality part of having contracts and setting better expectations, but how to actually package my offerings better so I can sell more? And the biggest pieces are, number one is, and this is something that you can play with, but as far as guarantees, if you're selling like a very high luxury price, you don't really have to push guarantees. But if you're selling lower ticket, I would say, low ticket, guarantees. And those guarantees can be, sales or leads, or your money back. If you're selling high ticket, I would not do guarantees. Okay, why do I say no guarantees? Because those are the right clients. These are the ones who understand that marketing takes time. Things take time. Low ticket clients definitely do not understand that. They're needy, they're frustrated, they just want to get rich. They're actually kind of annoying. So that's where you have to give the guarantee to get them in the ecosystem. But the ecosystem is like, hey, we're not going to make you $1 million, but we can get you sales and leads. We can start getting some stuff in your pipeline, but you got to be patient enough to seek out the process, okay? The second piece is, the way that I package my offer that allows it to be more sophisticated is hey, if we do a $3K a month, done for you, a lot of ad agencies will just do ad management, and that's all they do, okay? That is the wrong thing to do. You need to add more to the services. You have to add, copy, tech. You need to add, editing, UX. I'll get into what that is. What else? If you want to help them with a CRM, if you want to do, landing page design, you need to offer them, maybe group coaching calls where you get all the clients on and you can get into more heightened stuff, more expert advice. What else? Influencer marketing, where you can just outsource it to Billo and stuff like that, or you can find influencer marketing platforms to give the clients value without charging them more, because they want to spend that extra money on these things. Not you, but you can include it to increase that deliverable, increase the value proposition. Also, and what I mean by tech is Zapier, doing automations for them. Copy is sales copy, ad copy, landing page copy, then designing it. Also, we'll help you with your lead qualification. If you have enough good fulfillment, you could try email and SMS as well. But usually I raise the price on email and SMS. If it's email, SMS, and ads, and the landing page stuff, that's going to be $4K, $5K. Okay? Because it's just going to cost more for me fulfillment-wise, and that timeline of hey, we want to launch you in 7 to 14 days. That's going to be tough if I have to set up email automations, SMS compliance, get you in your influencer marketing material, help you with your lead qualification, your landing page design, your copy, your Zapier, your video editing, and your graphic editing. UX is just web development, okay? That's just dev. Because sometimes clients will give you softwares that they're currently using that are not as easy as ClickFunnels and Go High Level. They might give you Wix, and you got to use custom code to make it nice. CRMs can be Close, HubSpot, helping them with their leads coming through the pipeline. So that's how I basically package this. Now, as far as other deliverables, and this could help you, is, hey, like, you know, the client says, you know, I don't want to pay this much per month because I only do 3-month commitments. I don't do anything less anymore. Okay. Now, if it's 3 months and they're like, hey, listen, like, I don't want to pay, you know, $3,000 a month. You know, that's $9K. But what if I'm like, all right, listen, fine. If you don't want to pay the $9K, then what we can do is this. We could do 4 months at, you know, $2,750 or $2,500. Because as long as you're willing to commit more, yeah, it's only an extra $1,000, but you get a higher LTV that way. You get the client ecosystem longer, which gives you the ability to get more referrals, testimonials. Also, more data that you can use for other people in the same niche. So that's where I'm looking at this way more than just like, hey, I'm giving an extra month and they're saving X amount of money. You know, you can give these options if they're willing to commit. So that's how I'd package that as well. Now, the other thing is like, you know, yeah, those services are really cool, but like, you know, how can I even charge more? Like, what other services could I offer to charge even more? I could do press, organic, organic growth, engagement, and this organic growth, like, what about organic social media management? Like posting for them every single day, doing the graphics for that. These services alone, if you were able to put into a package, you could charge, an extra $2K plus extra a month. But then you have to, be able to fulfill that, have the back end. Don't just offer a ton of shit just to get a higher price point you can't fulfill it on the back end because you have a bunch of fulfillment issues, you're gonna have a bunch of angry clients. So that's another key piece. So I hope this really breaks a lot down, like as far as like maybe getting your brain churning for what you can offer. Because I think that a lot of people just go through this like, oh, I'm just doing like social media management, I'm doing social media marketing, like that's all I offer. And it's like, listen, in order for a client to be successful, you have to focus on those 4 key parts that I always talk about on my sales calls and with my team. Number 1 is their offer, okay? How do I make them have an irresistible offer as well as your own that can sell on cold traffic? Number 2 is, how do we get the right landing page and funnel steps for the ad traffic to convert? Because I have to have a good copy, I have to have a good funnel, I have to have a good lead process for that, lead to convert at a higher rate. Third one are the actual ads. So offering the video editing, video scripts. That is going to help, obviously the results of the ads. And then the 4 is the back end, which is, your automations, your upsells, and your CRM. And things like that are going to make them more money in the back end to increase their LTV, to increase their conversion rates, to increase retention, things that actually make money. So I hope this brings some light to your SMMA business right now and how you can start offering more stuff. And think about these 4 key parts. These are literally the most important things that I focus on my business to actually make more money as an agency owner. And it allows you to scale your fulfillment easier, has better fulfillment. You streamline things. You're not all over the place doing this press package, doing this organic growth thing. You get to actually understand and tell the client, get them expectations of these 4 key parts that you're focusing on and how you could probably build a team around each one. And you could centralize things a lot better. So hope this helps a lot. If it does, just comment down below any feedback that you have, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.